You guys have probably seen me use this before. It's the PMD Personal Microderm, and I've had a lot of questions about it, so today I'm going to show you how to use it and tell you why it's important to exfoliate. I realize a lot of you already exfoliate your skin, but I recently put a poll up on Instagram and more than 20% of you said you didn't. You guys, exfoliation is so important in your skincare routine. Here's why. Reason number one, it prevents breakouts and shrinks pores. Exfoliating deep cleans your skin and unclogs your pores, so you don't trap oil and bacteria and get breakouts. That's why exfoliating regularly can help keep your skin clear and make your pores look smaller. Reason number two, it can make you look younger. When you have a lot of dead skin cells on the surface of your skin, it really emphasizes fine lines and wrinkles and makes you look older. They also make your skin look dull, so you look aged and tired. Yes, we naturally shed skin cells, but the process slows down as we age, so exfoliating gives your skin a little boost. Reason number three, it improves skin tone and texture. Exfoliating also polishes your skin, so you'll look soft and smooth immediately. Reason number four, it helps your skincare products work harder. If you ever feel like your skincare products don't work, it might be because you don't exfoliate enough. When you reveal a fresh layer of skin, your products penetrate deeper, so you'll notice better results. Now, let's talk about PMD Personal Microderm. It's a device that uses vacuum suction to increase circulation and boost collagen and elastin, while the spinning disc exfoliates the surface of your skin. It comes with different discs so you can customize your intensity of exfoliation. The white disc is for ultra-sensitive skin or those just learning to use the device. The gray discs are for delicate or sensitive skin and give light exfoliation. The blue discs are also for sensitive skin, but they're also a step up if you've done a few treatments with the gray disc. The green discs are for normal skin that isn't sensitive. The orange discs give a higher level exfoliation and are meant to be used only once a week. The red discs are for normal or very coarse skin and are meant for those that have used the device for a while. The black discs are for body exfoliation only, specifically for the hands and feet. And the yellow disc is for the highest level exfoliation for the body and is meant for die-hard users who have had this device for a while. You'll notice the discs come in two different sizes. The smaller ones are for the face and the larger ones are for the body. Because your body needs just as much love as your face does. Plus, exfoliating your body helps your moisturizer absorb better, and if you spray tan, you get a more even, better result. To use it, start with clean, dry skin. Then place a disc of your choice on the device and cover it with a cap. Then pull your skin taut with your free hand, turn the device on, and glide it over your skin following the curves of your face. Keep the device constantly moving and don't pause over any spots to avoid superficial red marks and light scabbing. It's also important to only do one pass per area per treatment. You don't want to cause any irritation. You can always practice on your arm a few times to get a feel for it before you use it on your face. The suction of the device helps increase circulation and trigger the skin's natural healing process. This boosts collagen and elastin to get you firm, fresh, and radiant skin. As I said earlier, exfoliating dead skin cells away helps your products absorb 20 times deeper, so you really get the benefits. When you're done, apply a calming toner and moisturizer. Your skin will feel silky soft. Make sure to wait about 6 to 7 days between treatments so your skin has some time to regenerate. After about 8 to 12 treatments, you'll really start to notice results, like reduced fine lines and wrinkles, blemishes and dark spots, smaller pores, and even better skin tone and texture. And the last tip I'll leave you with is to wear your SPF after using the device. You want to make sure you protect that fresh, new skin. And that's how you use the PMD Personal Microderm. How do you exfoliate your skin? Tell me in the comments below, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.